The bank notification came through on a Monday morning. Direct line insurance, £742. I stared at it for a second. Last year it was £589. I knew the policy was set to auto-renew. I didn't expect it to jump by over £150 without me touching anything. I opened the direct line email I'd skimmed a week earlier. Your policy has renewed. No big red number in the subject line, just confirmation. The new premium had been sitting in the document attached. First tightening moment was the comparison. Last year, £589. This year, £742. Same car, same driveway, no claims, no points. In my head, I softened it. Everything's going up. Insurance is higher across the board. That's just the market. Then I opened the renewal schedule properly. The cover looked identical, comprehensive, same voluntary excess, same legal cover. But the line that used to show a discount wasn't there anymore. Second tightening moment was that missing detail. Last year, there'd been a small note about a saving applied to the premium. This time, nothing like that appeared. It didn't say discount removed. It just wasn't mentioned. The higher number was presented as standard. I told myself maybe the first year had always been cheaper to get me in. Maybe this is the true price. Then I checked how it had been taken. The direct debit had already gone. £742 in one hit. No pause, no please confirm. The renewal date had passed 3 days ago. Third tightening moment was realizing I hadn't actively agreed to the higher figure. I just hadn't stopped it. I went on to the Direct Line website and ran a fresh quote with the same details. Same registration, same postcode, same no claims. The new quote came back lower than £742. Not dramatically lower, but enough to notice. Fourth tightening moment was that gap. The renewal price wasn't the lowest version of my own information. The email had said, "We'll automatically renew your cover for your convenience." Convenient. I told myself I should have read it properly. It would have been clear in the documents. It always is. Then I looked at the monthly option. If I spread it, it would cost more over the year. Interest added quietly on top. £589 last year. £742 this year. Over £150 difference for the same policy wording. Then the final tightening move. I checked the bank app again. The £742 was already sitting in the list of recent payments, between council tax and energy, blended in. Nothing dramatic has changed. The car starts. The road is the same. The policy number hasn't moved. But £589 was last year. £742 is this year. And once it's auto-renewed, it just becomes the number that comes out next time.